Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about possible uses for glass jars of any type or glass containers. This is a very long list, and so I've broken it up into 4 parts. This is part 3, and I have links to the other videos below in the description box, so if you haven't seen them, please do check them out. You may find some nice ideas there for you. Why not take a pretty jar and make a decorative holder for a tea light? You could make flavored oils or flavored vinegars in jars. You could easily make overnight oats in a jar. You could also make a mini planter out of a decorative jar, like as for one bulb, something like that, and that would be a pretty thing to have in the house. You could also make a citronella candle in a jar for helping to keep mosquitoes and other bugs away when you're outside on a hot summer evening. Put the lid on the jar when it's not being used, and that'll keep it safe for another time. Why not store cotton balls and cotton swabs in a jar in the bathroom? You could easily take an extra jar, it doesn't have to be a real big one, as a piggy bank for extra change at the end of the day. Something you can easily drop it in, retrieve it out of easily if you need to. Works great for the children as well. You could also make a homemade reusable soap dispenser by putting a little hole in the lid and putting a pump dispenser down on the top of a glass jar. You could also freeze some foods in glass jars. Some easy examples would be chopped bell peppers or onions. You could also put some leftover soup in individual servings for easy-to-go lunches that are made in advance. You want to, of course, make sure that you're able to thaw them out. You might put them in the refrigerator the night before and allow them to thaw some, so when you go to lunch the next day, you're not going to have something frozen still in the jar. If you have extra garden seeds at the end of the season, you could keep them in their packets and stuff them into a jar and put them in the freezer. And that will help them to keep well for you for the next growing season. Why not make a decorative centerpiece for your table? You'd have to get creative on this one, but why not? It's a great project for the kids too. You could also store extra hair care items like hair ties, bows, bobby pins, or barrettes in jars. And why not use a jar as a toothbrush holder in the bathroom? This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. I hope this helps. Bye for now.